We have our first cold day today. Feels good outside. These are the kind of days where I want a hammock, though. I could really go for a hammock. I bought this today because my male cat, my orange male cat, has gotten a little too independent, and I'm trying to make him think I'm more of his mom than he already does. And he really likes soft fuzzy things. The second he settles down on a soft fuzzy thing, he starts making biscuits. So I had really high hopes. I mean, this is real soft. I want to make biscuits now. Goals. Everybody needs them.